Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am reading lesson 8 object pronouns. Children, what is object pronoun? An object pronoun is not the subject of the sentence. It usually the object that is affected in some by the subject. But I think you will not understand object pronoun. So first I will tell you, I will make you remind what is pronoun. So let's start what is pronoun. Then you will understand subject pronoun, after that object pronoun. So let's start. What is pronoun? Children, what is pronoun? As I told you before, we have read what is pronoun. Do you know? Now, again I am telling you what is pronoun. So see here. The pronoun, any word takes the place of a noun, is called pronoun. As we have read before, the word which take the place of a noun is called pronoun. First we should know this, है ना? So I will give you one example. See here. Chris is a driver. He drives a bus. So Chris is a noun, proper noun. But after full stop, the place which has been taken is he. He is a pronoun that take the place of a noun, means proper noun. So it is pronoun. He, she is pronoun because Chris is the driver. Full stop. He drives a bus. Two times we cannot write the name, so that the place of Chris, second time it takes the place of has taken by pronoun, means he drives a bus. He is a pronoun. So you have understood this by the example. Now let's see next. What is subject pronoun? Children, what is subject pronoun? So subject pronoun are those pronouns that perform the action in a sentence, like they, are, I, you, she, we. They are subject pronoun. Now let's see. Subject pronoun does the action in a sentence, as I told you before. So few more example we will see. He drives a bus. Drives means drive is a verb, the action word, and he is does the action. Who is doing the action? He means the pronoun. It does the action. And drives means it is a verb. It does action. He drives a bus. Now we will see few more. Before that example we have seen in he, means in singular form. Now we will see in plural form, means we. Subject pronoun. We have a nice car. So we is a plural, okay, and we have a nice car. So we is a subject pronoun. One more example we will take. I live in a big city. So I is a subject pronoun. It is written in the sentence at first number, means I live in a big city. So it is a subject. I is a subject pronoun. Now next we will come object pronoun. This you should know this. What is object? And our topic is, today's topic is object pronoun. But I was making you understand what is pronoun and subject pronoun. But at third we will come to the point object pronoun. So now you should know what is object pronoun exactly. In a simple language we can say object pronoun, receiver of an action, means it's receiver of an action. See here. Example, Dev is my supervisor at work. I saw him today. So Dev is my supervisor. Dev is a proper noun, okay, and subject. Dev is my supervisor at work and I saw him today. So him is object pronoun. Now next example we'll. Dev and I work for a big company. You can find us. You can find us. So us is a object pronoun. Dev and I work for a big company. It's a subject. You can find us, because it is a receiver, as I told you before. So us is object pronoun. One more example you see, it will be easy to you to it will be easy to make you understand. I saw him today. So I is subject pronoun, means doer of action, karta. Him object pronoun, and saw action or verb. See, saw, seen, it's a verb or action, whatever we do by this means action word. So him is object pronoun. So I saw him today. So I is subject pronoun, him is object pronoun. Okay. Now next. Now we will see on the book. See, subject pronoun you can see I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Okay, we is plural form. They are also plural form. On you we use for singular or plural. Now possessive adjective, I ka my, your, you ka your, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, are, they, their. As we read before this chapter, in our previous chapter we have read this in possessive adjective. Now we'll come to the point, object pronoun. So subject pronoun we say I, but in object pronoun we say me. In subject we say you, but in object also we say you. In subject pronoun we say he, but when it comes in object pronoun we say him. When we say in she, when it comes in object we say her. When we say in subject pronoun it, when it comes in object pronoun we will say it. We will be converted into us in object pronoun, and they will be converted into them. So children, I hope you have understood this subject pronoun and object pronoun. We will see few more examples. Rosie reads a comic book. But when we say in object pronouns, we say Rosie reads it. It is object pronoun. The teacher teaches Nikki and you. The teacher teaches you. And third, Jack and Jill eat burgers. Jack and Jill eat them. So these are the object pronoun. Okay children? Now it's your turn. You have to do page number 37. A, circle the object. So pictures are there. First, the rabbit eat the carrot. Second, I like Calvin and Henry. First is already done for you. You have to do from second. Third is Jenny likes Angela. Fourth, the panda plays video games. Fifth, Sandra helps the friend. Now B, match and write the object pronouns. One is already done for you. Our parents love blank, or in bracket we. So when we converted subject pronoun into object, so what will come? Us is already written, but you have to do from second, means the doctor helps blank. In bracket what it is written? You. So this page you have to do, and I hope you have understood. Thank you.